Hello fellow crafters, this is Nala and welcome you to my channel and thank you for being here. Today we're unboxing the new subscription that just came in from Altenew. I have the Craft Your Life subscription. And this is the October subscription and I am excited. All right, this one is called Nordic Wonderland. And it comes with this particular subscription package, comes with a die, the embossing folder, and the stamp and the stencil. So it's everything you need. I love it. I love it. And it's not so expensive either. It's I think this one's $49.99, I believe. Don't quote me on that. It's about the $39.99 or $49.99. But I will definitely place it in the description. But we're going to create a card or two, depending on how much time I use. So look at how pure. Look at those two cute little birds in front of the Christmas tree. I love it. That's so cute. That is too cute. And this is the die for the stamp set. This is a huge stamp set. Oh, this is, oh, and then, okay, got the bird. Okay, so it takes that. That's nice. Which means then we have the stencil for this. Oh, Happy New Year's. Oh, I need that one. May the blessings of the season remain with you the whole year through. Warm wishes, I love you, from our family to yours. Blessings, prayers and hugs, wishing you peace and joy. Just thought of you. Happy birthday, merry everything, and happy always. I love this. That's cute. This is a great die set, and you can use it year round. It doesn't just have to be for a Christmas setting. You can use it year round. It's great. Okay, let's get started. So I'm thinking I might do a side folding card today. Just 'cause I'm really eager to use this embossing folder and stencil. Like, those are my favorites. And I believe you can actually, you don't have to get the package. You can buy these pieces separately in the Altenew store. And I will have the individually separated products in my blog, okay? I'm gonna run this through the die cutting machine with the embossing folder plates. And I use Sizzix, Big Shot. I do have a Gemini as well. I have yet to emboss with my Gemini though. That's on my to-do list. I think I'm scared. Just slightly scared. Oh my God. Look at how beautiful that design is. Oh my God. Honestly, this is a card on itself. Just do tone on tone. I really wanted to color this though, but I think I want to just, put, let's see, hold on. Let's see what we're gonna do. That's cutting it pretty close, but I do like it. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. All right, so we're not going to color this one in this time, but what we are gonna do is I want to add a little bit of like lightish, like a light blue fading in here. I'm gonna use Sea Foam. I'm gonna use Simon Says Sea Foam. I think that's, oh, I have to ink this. Hold on, guys, I'm sorry. I am not a professional at inking, but this is kind of what I just do. I'm gonna go this way. And then we'll see. Hopefully that's enough. At least it should be. So I definitely recommend that after you have re-inked them, let it sit for a little bit. And as you see, I'm kind of keeping all my blending on one side, just because I know that I have all that extra ink on there. Keeping it on one side prevents from me wiping it everywhere. Smudgy smudge there. Let's see. I have a way of pulling this off. And I'm gonna do it now. Yep, I'm gonna do it now. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna treat it as a speck. Okay, so I'm actually gonna use my re-inker for this, just since I have it. It's a lot easier to just take that. And I'm going to place it on a little piece of acetate, just one drop, like that. And then I'm going to take a little bit of water and just a little water in there. Ooh, wrong way. All right, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna add little light blue drops. And that will hide our oopsie daisies. This is very light. It's very, very light speckle in the background. That's my husband. We're going to now put the sentiment. Now, I really want to use this one. Really, really want to use it. So we're gonna make it work. So I really do love that sentiment. It's beautiful. Okay. Perfect. Now we're just gonna prime it a little bit. Use all the oils and dirts from our fingers. All right. And I'm gonna heat emboss it with my Versamark ink, and I'm gonna be using the Fine Detail Silver from Gina K. I do love this silver. Yeah. I do love how this, how it melts when it heats up. Oh my God, it is honestly flawless. It's a very smooth finish. The other one that I have, I don't know if it's just a different brand or something, but well, it's definitely a different brand, but I don't know if it's like just a different type of embossing powder, but when it melts, it's kind of like grainy and not too fond of it, not too fond. Let me make sure this is where it's supposed to be at. So it's supposed to be down here. Let's just go ahead and put this here. And this just reminds me this corner, push it to this corner. And we're just going to gently, don't put too much pressure. I've had to learn this. Sometimes when you put too much pressure, what happens is you end up smudging the words together. So you just want to down, just light pressure with one finger should be enough. So, and let's see if this came out all right. Open this out. Almost. Oh, and this T over here. Good. All right. Pretty good. I like to heat it up so that doesn't warp my paper too much. So when I put it to the paper, it'll just be hot and then go straight to work. And I like to heat the back to kind of help minimize the warping and to melt the powder on the bottom. But look at that. That is beautiful. Beautiful. I love it. So what I'm thinking is like, here. Should I do it upside down? Actually, that doesn't look bad upside down. Only issue I have is not knowing if it will actually stay. Let's keep going. This may not be bad, guys. I'm digging it. Doesn't look bad at all. I like it. We got the two here. Let's see if I can bring this up. Yeah, it does have like a equal side thing going on. I think it'll be fun. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I love it. I didn't think I was gonna really like it like that because I've never done a card in which I just do an embossing folder and then a greeting. I never do it because I don't feel like it's enough, right? Like it just is too simple. But Altenew, this kit, they made this really easy. I can definitely see myself making a bunch of Christmas cards just like this and setting them off. Maybe different colors, maybe dark blue, maybe a red, maybe a gold, you know? This is nice. I love it. All right. All right, guys. First off, I want to thank you for joining me in my video and my channel, making this card with me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my video if you enjoyed the content that you are watching. And never forget, you are beautiful, you matter, and your life is the art of this world.